Hello friends, today I came with a new video or you can say a new project, that is how to make calculator in Python. First we start a new page, file to new, and here type from tkinter import import. Now import random, import time, and import date time, then define root is equal to tk, t capital and k is small. Now we define the area of calculator. Type root dot geometry, and here type the size. Suppose width 450 into height 650 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. Then root title. Root title. Here type the title. Suppose we are creating a calculator. Now type the calculator. Then close and save. Now go to the file and click the save button and save your file. Suppose calcc, this is our file name. Okay, now save your file, then run. Look here, this is our frame, calculator frame. Here, look here, this is your title and this is your frame. Okay, clear friends? Okay friends, now in here we define the forms and label. Now use the single line comment. In here type the forms for your help, form and label, LAB. Okay, this single line comment. Here we are defining the forms and label. Sorry, form name, frame. Frame and label. Okay, in here our frame, we are defining two parts. First define the tops, TOPS, this is the name, tops is equal to frame root, comma, width. Width is equal to here. Look here, this is your width 450, 450. Okay, now height is equal to 100, then BD is equal to 8, and relief RELIEF, relief is equal to RAIS, erase. Okay, now define the top packs, tops dot pack, here type side is equal to in the capital top. Now save your program and run your program. Look here, this is your first part, 450 by 100. Okay, now we are copy and paste the second part. Select this part, copy and paste. Now change the name, tops, suppose it is the first part, F1. Now frame root for width 450 and height you have 550. BD 8, relief raised, that here type the name F1 dot pack and size is equal to left. Now run your program and check. This is two parts. First part is here and second is here. Okay, so we are defining two parts our frame. Now next we are defining a label and display area. Label and display area. Now here type label info is equal to label in the bracket. We are defining the label in the tops area. Okay, this is your area. Okay, so here type the name tops, comma, font is equal to, type any font name, suppose ARIAL, Arial. You can choose any font. Size and bold. Okay, now text is equal to your calculator name. What is the display of the top of your calculator? Suppose type the SAN calculator. Okay, in inverted comma. Now foreground color, foreground color is equal to FG is equal to any color, ORANGE, we are using a orange color, and define the BG color, means background color. Then enter. BG is equal to black. You can use any color in here. BD is equal to 10 and anchor is equal to W. Okay, now save, then run your program. Now we are checking what is the mistake. Now here type label info dot grid. Near row is equal to 0 and column is equal to 0. Now run your program. Look here. This is display. This is label of your calculator. I think this is clear. Now, next defining a display area. So text display. Text display is equal to, this is your variable name, text display. Entry in here F1. We are using the second frame. This is the second frame, your F1. Okay, F1 comma same cheese, font is equal to, in the bracket, Arial, comma size bold. Next text variable. Text variable is equal to text input BD is equal to 40. Insert width is equal to 5. Justify is equal to right. Now text display, text display dot grid, column span is equal to 4. We are using here column span. Now run your program. You find one mistake. What is the mistake? Look here. Text input is not defined. Okay. So we are using how we can. So we are defining here functions, variables, and operators. Okay. Now we have defined text input. Is equal to string var and operator is blank. Okay. Now run your program. Look here. This is your label and this is your text area, display area. Okay. You can type any number here. Then close. Now we are continuing this program. Next, we define a buttons. Look here. The button define we are defining here 7, 8, 9 and plus. Okay. These buttons we are defining. Now type here button 7, btn button 7. This is your button name is equal to button. In here F1 pad x is equal to 16. You can choose any number 16 and pad y is equal to 16. Okay. Your button will square. Now BD is equal to 8 FG, that foreground is equal to black, font black, 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 comma font is equal to, we are copying this text. Okay. Copy and paste. Arial 20 and bold. Text is equal to 7, comma next. Command is equal to lambda, then colon, button, click. This is your command, CLICK, click. In here 7, then close the bracket, dot grid, and here define the row and columns. Row is equal to 1, column is equal to 0. Now save, run your program. This is your button. number 7. Okay, but this is not working. So here we are defining the second button. In the first button, this is button number 7. Now copy these text and paste here. Your button is 789, 987. The first 7, second is 8, button 8, same things. Now only change the text and here button click. And now next, now 7, 8, 9, here type button 9, same things. Now change 9 and here change the 9. Now change your place, row 1, column 0, row 1, then column 1, and row 1 here, column 2. Now check. Then okay. Look here, 7, 8, 9. This is your 3 buttons, 7, 8, 9. Now we are defining the fourth and last button here. This is your plus button. Okay. Now same things, paste here and button name plus. Change the button name. Here change your buttons. Here change plus and look here, here change in single quotes or double quotes plus symbol. Okay. Now check. Sorry. Here column, change the column, column 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now run your program. Okay. Now we are defining the next buttons. Copy this text. Complete. We are copying complete this text. Control C and here paste Control V. 7, 8, 9. Here 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 and minus. Okay. Now here type, change the button name 4 and here change the text 4 and change the here 4. Now we are using the second row in here. So row second, column is 0. Now 4, then 5, then 6. Now change here. Number 5 and here 5. Row is second. We are using the second row. Okay. Here row is second. And here this is button number 6. Now type here 6 and change the 6. Near symbol is minus here and here change the button name. subtract, sub. Okay, now run your program. Look here. Oh, sorry. This button is not here. I think address is same, plus and minus. Now row 1, row 1. Change the row, row 2. Okay. Then run your program. Okay, fine. Okay, now we are defining a third button, third row. Now copy this text and here paste. First, second, third. Okay. Now number 1, number 2, 1, 2, 3, and asterisk. Multiple. Okay. Here change button name 1, 2, 3. Multiply here MUL. Okay, MUL. Now change the button name, button 1. Look here, change 1 and change the name 1 and change the row. Here we are using the third row. Okay, now button 2. Here change the button 2 text, button 2, and row is third. Here button 3, change the button 3, change the name 3, and here change the row. Now next process, multiple symbol. In here we are using the multiple symbol, asterisk, and change here asterisk. Okay, now change the row is 3. Now run your program. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then plus, minus, asterisk, and divide. Okay, now this is your buttons. Now we are defining next things in our calculator. In here, next buttons is here. Now 0, equal to clear and division button. Okay, okay, first define the 0 and next button. This is your button 0. Okay, now same things, you can change the name here 0 and change the button name here 0, and row is 4. We are using the fourth row in here, and last sub here division, div. Okay, now same things, change the symbol, and here change the symbol, and everything row is 4. Here we are using the fourth row. Okay. Now up here we are defining the clear button clear. This is your button name. Same things, button F1, pad X16, pad Y16, BD this, font this. Now change the text. Here cancel button C. Okay, now change the command. We are changing the command here. Delete this. And here type button clear display. Now we are defining these name of function button clear display. Okay. So we are define, and here button 6, change the button name, button equals same things, change the button name here equal to, and change these values, and this is your function name, button equals input. Button equals input. Look here, your bracket here. Now run your program, but it is not working. There are two mistakes. This button is not displayed. Okay. Now define the function. These name button clear display and button equals input. So we are going here, our functions and variable operators. It is separate area. Okay. Now here type here, define the function button clear, same name, button clear display. Okay, this is your function name, and here type global operator, next operator is equal to blank, text input dot set the bracket blank, Control S. Now define the second button equal, define btn equals equals input. This is your function name. Now global operator, global operator sum up is equal to string in here eval in the bracket operator and text input dot set in the bracket sum up then operator. Now button click function, third function def button click. Okay, it is working on numbers, NUMBERS numbers. This is your third function. Now global global operator, then P operator is equal to operator, then sum of plus string operator, string numbers, string numbers. Now text input dot set type operators okay. This is a function area. First function clear for the clear buttons. Second, sum of formulas like as plus, minus, multiplication and division. And third, we are clicking any numbers, it will be displayed on the screen. Okay friends, now run your program. Oh, there are two buttons are not displayed. Now check the row and columns. Look here. In here. Now run your program again and read the errors. Button equals, name button equals is not defined. Okay, here button equals, I think we are defining the btn equals input and the last divide. What is the problem in divide? Now check here. Look here. Row is equal to 2. Now change row is equal to 4. Column is equal to 3. Now run your program. Okay. Okay, this is your complete calculator. Now use 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Text input. Now check the text input. Look here. In your function. Here I is capital. Now run your program and check. 5, plus 9 is equal to 14. Now clear? 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, cancel. 6 multiplied by 8. Now answer is 48. It is also right. And 9 divided by 2. Then your answer is 4.5. Okay friends, it is clear and your project calculator is also complete. If you modify your calculator, now change here. Suppose we are changing the color of your button 7. Now your FG is black, that is the foreground. Now change here BG. Okay, in button number 7, BG is equal to, here type the name red. Okay, then comma, Control S, and now run your program. Look here, your button 7 color is changed. Okay, you can modify your calculators using the colors. Here change your foreground color and background color of any button. Okay, now suppose we are changing the button clear. Now here this is the foreground color is black, and now either BG background color is equal to blue. Okay, then run your program. Look here. Okay, I hope everything is clear in this video and everyone is able to complete one project calculator in your computer by seeing line by line. You can complete this project by the help of my video. If you want to make any project in computer, then you can ask in comment box. Thank you.